Ever have something in your life that you're really unnecessarily afraid of and you're very aware of how unnecessary that fear is? Same. This would pretty likely be a really good wash day, and there's a big giant chance that I'm about to screw it up. If you haven't already figured out, today we are trying out the Denman brush for the first time. I have never used it to style my curls, and I am going to use it to style my curls today. If you are unaware, I have very fine, low density curls that really in general do not like anything going through it when they're styling. Like, you've seen my wash day tutorials. If you haven't, I will put those down in the descriptions. I am like adamant that I do not ever rake products, my fingers, through my hair after applying conditioner in the shower. So I'm nervous. So for all of you that requested this, just kidding. There was 2 of you, and I've been planning to do it for a year. I've just been a big giant baby. But Mains by Mel, she's done a Denman brush tutorial. So has Curly Susie. Both were really helpful. So I'm gonna put my big girl panties on and try it today. So we're just going to jump right in. Before we do, I'm not gonna ask you to do anything other than to just look. I'm standing in my bathtub. Any Lady Olena fans out there? Same. So I'm gonna kind of follow like Mains by Mel's lead on this. I might do a butchered version of her version, but I'm gonna try. I am going to just lightly mist my hair with some water. It's a little bit drier at my roots already than what I like. So just getting a damp, plus these cute little gray babies up front perform better when they are wet. Just kidding, I'll stop being dramatic. No, I won't, because I'm a little bit in a mood. So, okay. I don't even know like how I should do this. Okay, we'll just go here. So we are going to start with the cream. I'm gonna use the Balance Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream because I'm obsessed. Just tapping. I think I probably should be like extra careful because you want section by section. Okay. Okay. Oh no, okay. All right. Watch this turn into a how to straighten your fine low density curls without heat naturally video. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the product all over. Okay, I don't really, I keep saying okay. I'm like really trying to like talk myself through this. Okay. All right. So what I think Mains by Mel does is she says she takes a vertical section and then she kind of like twists the brush. Yep, it's going to be a how I straighten my curls video. Okay. I don't know. Oh, this is a lot of freaking pressure. Okay. Okay, so I had to jump off camera for a second because I'm like having a crisis. I feel like in my head I should probably be using a gel, but in my heart I want to use the Allergy Naturals Creme Brulee. And then I started second guessing myself, and I went to check my other gels, nothing felt right, and so like here I am, and I'm just going with the original plan. Okay, so now this I'm going to like kind of smooth and scrunch over. One thing I'm noticing and I'm not liking is how freaking flat my hair is laying to my scalp. And I don't know, is there like a trick to that to prevent that from happening? Is that just what happens? Did I do it wrong? I don't know. This process is scaring me. Still giving like a gentle tug at my ends to make sure the grays and any other little oddballs are smoothed in. Now we scrunch. Last thing I'm doing, taking a little bit more of the custard at my fingers and just lifting my roots. I cannot live my life with a flat root. If there is a trick for preventing flat roots when using the Denman brush, please drop it down below. So that movement broke up the clumps a little bit, which I don't hate, I don't care. But overall, okay. So see you when it's done. I'm back. So I started to fluff my hair off camera, obviously, and I was like, I probably should jump on and show you all this definition before I go as hard in the paint as I normally do. So here we are. So I fluffed a little bit. I haven't fully fluffed. So I'm gonna show you this, then I'm gonna fully fluff, and then we'll, you know. Okay, so defined as hell. I think it's like, I'm actually like really surprised, to be honest. I'm like really surprised that this happened after brushing my hair. Because normally, I guess I shouldn't be surprised because like I can dry brush my hair and it'll bounce back, but I still feel surprised. So I guess I just always assume brushing my hair wet, and in the past it's been a problem. If I mess with my hair in the past wet too much, like it would just be frizzy. But now I'm almost thinking that like, I mean, my hair is substantially healthier than it's, I think, ever been. I have better products. I have like an actual routine. So I think that's like a factor. So I'm really like, holy definition. So we see this definition, right? We see it, it's there. It's there. This might be the curliest my hair's been all over. The only spot that I'm not loving is like this chunk. This tends to lay a little bit straighter anyways, but it's like extra right now. And I'm not sure if I did something wrong. I'm not sure. I don't know. So if you have a trick for this area, I'd love to hear it. Okay, but now I'm gonna like fluff it out, and then we're gonna really see, because y'all know like this definition's cool and all, but like I need to not be able to hear you, you know, over the volume of my hair. Whoop, there it is. Well, I have a ton of definition. I've got a ton of volume, and I also can't stop looking at myself. I know that that's not just in this video, so, but I'm gonna try and pass it off like it is. No, but for real. Okay, this is definitely something that I think I will be trying again soon. I mean, like, why the hell have I waited so long to try this? Answer me that, because I don't know. Well, I do know. It's because I've been a big giant baby, and I don't like change. But here we are, changing things up, and look at the goodness that came from it. There you have it. There is first time styling with the Denman brush on my fine, low density curls. So I'm pretty happy with these results. Would love to know what you all think. If you did like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have not already slammed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it to turn on post notifications so you do not miss a thing. And if we're not friends on Instagram, we should be. That link's down in my description. I will see you next time. Bye.